Alright, here we are ready to play another game of Refight the Last Ship. Okay, here we are. I'm going to look at the leaderboards. I'm afraid to look. It's been a couple hours since I played. Oh, I dropped down to 8th. People have been playing this game a lot. Okay, that's okay. I've been playing against Australia, and Nemesio is my partner in crime. He's my online friend. Hopefully I get to meet him this match. If not, well, I guess that's a sort of game for him. Just going to get further away from him. So my next victim is Cinex 920. I usually have a better survival rate than most. Yeah, so I have a really good survival rate, but man, when it comes to fighting, they have kicked my ass. 2695, that's pretty much than that 1 point. I'm so bad at the battle rate. I don't get why am I... Anyway, let's go back to the lobby. I'm gonna wait and win this game. Here, oh, perfect. Look at that. It's like it was just destiny. Here we are. Let's get in. Got my traditional, as we say. Look at that. Bright yellow ship. If you're fighting, you know that's me. That's someone on fire. Oh, he's got the green camo. A lot of green ships. I haven't seen any glowing blue ships lately. Oh, wow. Okay, we got ourselves a lot of cruisers. A couple battleships. I don't see any destroyers. Oh, there's one. Alright, now there's another destroyer. Oh, there's quite a few over there. Excellent, I like that. Oh, wow. A lot of people have that skin. Red. Okay. Glowing red. Alright. Perfect. 13 seconds. We're going to get in. Hopefully we can get a kill. Or 2 or 3. Maybe 10. And win this game. Alright, let the zones start filling up. Every time I seem to play, no one seems to go to Silent Sea. So next time I play this game, I'm going to go straight up in the Silent Sea and get some action. No one goes there. So, it's like a hit and miss with South Island. Sometimes, oh, there we go. I already know my first fight. Let's do this. Oh, this is going to be a beautiful fight. Wow. Pretty popular over there. Alright, I like it. Oh, see, again, one silent, one south. All that loot. Oof. Yeah, there we go. My beautiful ship. And shield. And there's the gun. Alright. If I'm gonna fight someone, I'm gonna need that gun. So we're gonna do a slow down. Well, actually, no, let's speed things up. Do the loop-de-loop. We'll go in a fight. Alright. Turn right, please. Why are you not turning? There we go. Alright. Don't see me yet. That's okay. I'm going to do a hard turn. Map zone shrinks in 4 minutes. Okay, it's basically right here. Awesome. And I got my torpedo launcher here. All is good in the world. All is good in the world. I thought that was my secondary. That was such a waste. But that's okay. There's another torpedo launcher. Alright, let's just get that. Beautiful. Perfect. Got my favorite flag already. Oh, let's go hard left. There we go, Brandy. Why are you not dying? Really? You really think that's gonna do much to me? You're the one that wanted to fight. Oh man. Well, if I said I wanted to fight, this is it. Oh yeah, you're I need loot. I'm running out of bullets. Alright. Let's do a hard right. Oh, that's just being annoying. There we go. I'm gonna go for that common ammo. We don't have much of a choice. Yeah, whatever. And I bet he has more of a reload time. Oh, I was thinking about fighting, but now I'm starting not to fight, wanting to fight. Him and I are basically fighting for those stuff up here. I have no ammo. 2 torpedoes. That's it. That's all my torpedoes. And boom. I'm actually wanting ammo. Oh man. This is not good at all. Well, can't complain. Ooh. Well, good thing we're going over here. Blue line's coming in. That's okay. Let's hoping for bullets. What do we got? 3.1. Oh, there we go. Just need bullets. Guess it's really hard to ask. Come on. There we go. Alright, let's make the hard turn. We're going to go after Brandy. Oh, I wasted so much loot. There we go. Let's get going. That health is important. Let's pick you up. 600. Let's go chasing after her. And ah, so close. And over. Okay. Oh, he's back. He just won't give up, will he? Heavy bullets. Alright, you win this round. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Oh, there's more heavy bullets. Don't care about you. Alright. Hurry up, hurry up. This is not a good stream for this right now. Oh, man. 1 health, too. Alright, there we go. Health. I need health. Bullets. Ah! I can only make a choice. Alright, bullets. Made a choice. What is this? Edinburgh. Alright. Ah, you fooled me. I thought you were stuck. Oh, missed my bullets. That's okay. Thank you for the ammo. Let's do this. Oh. There you go, buddy. Now let's just get in. 74, we don't need you. Pick you up. Now we're just racing the blue line. Wish I had definitely had more health. There we go, 1 kill, guys. Very boring, but here we are. Winning. Doing this. We're doing this. Oh. Oh, I don't even know why I did that. There's absolutely no reason to. You need health. Nothing. Where's the drop? Is there a drop in here? Nope. Oh, it's on the other side. Definitely not gonna get it. Oh, there's some fighting on the other side. Nope. Okay, we'll save our missiles. As per usual. There we go. Made it in. You're not getting us, Winter Zone. Alright, 1 kill. That was a horrible loot. Somehow we survived. Yet here we are. Ready to win the game. 25 alive. By some miracle. I don't even know where to go. Alright, let's go the opposite way. Oh man, I should have got in that. Oh, it's too late. Or is it? Alright, well, they can fight it out. I guess I will go around the short way. Ooh. Okay, maybe that'll be like a level 3 shooter. Who knows how many torpedoes we got? 600. How much we got? 203. Oh, there's a fight. He won. That's okay. We're just gonna go over here. 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Oh, another one died near me. Nope, just the second one. Alright, well. Beggars can't be choosers. Alright, let's do it. My only health. Thought I saw another repair thing around here. I guess someone picked it up. Oh, nope. Still there. Alright, let's get in. I gotta find another ship's loot. Ever so lucky. So quiet over here. Is there anyone around here? Don't need you light shells. I need everything. Battery 3.1 increased torpedo range by 10%. So quiet. Hello, hello. Is anyone there? There we go. Repair. Health. Harrison. I'm not really willing to get into a fight right now. I could use ammo though. Oh, there's a little ship. That's cute. Depression. Oh, I faced him so many times. And we'll go for you. And boom. There's my second kill. Go for you. And picked you up. Alright, let's do a hard turn. Yes, 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 yes. Why didn't you use your health? What? Oh, let's hit return. That was my bad. Let's get out of here before the zone kills me. It's the fastest route out of here. Give you hug. Oh, I hit him. In fact, I'm going toward a drop area. I like that. If I survive. Alright, go, ship, go. He made it out. Can I make it out? Oh, I survived. Oh, geez, there's a ship over here. Oh, he's totally dead. I'll call it drop in the next zone. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And come on. And oh yeah, 3 kills. Shake and bake, guys. Beautiful. I will use that. Thank you. I'm surprised people aren't using their health. There we go. We'll call it drop right there. We'll get it. Oh, look at that. Look at and oh, look at all this loot. Excellent. Things were looking bad. Things are looking good now. How many torpedoes do I have? 60. Okay, I definitely don't gonna use any more than that. Alright. Oh, minute. We got a minute. Okay, we might as well go hard left. Hard right, I mean. Check out that loot. Go left. We got 10 alive, only 3 kills. Not as exciting. Oh. That's where all they are. Alright, so I'll have time to reload after much ado. Oh, we'll take that. Can always that. Alright, let's slow down a bit. Hopefully my drop will come in soon. And oh, give you hug. I was shooting him earlier. Boom. Alright, let's go full speed now. Oh, look at that. He's a dead man. Who's going to get him first? And do I get the intense fruit flavor? Ah, someone else got him. Depression. Oh, and he missed. Alright, what do we got over here? Oh, I'll take that. I'll definitely take that. And alright, things are looking up. Oh, there's another legendary. Man, alright. 8 alive, only 3 kills. Seems to me that everyone's wanting to fight. Oh. We'll drop you. Anyway, how am I doing for weight? Oh, wow, good. There we go. Look at that. You guys are almost dead, all of you. Alright, let's turn in. I don't like where this guy's going. Alright. Why am I slowing down? Oh, that's okay. Oh, boom! 4 kills! Alright. Use you. Boom. Direct hit. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. All right. 6 alive, 4 kills. And where's depression? I should keep out where I'm going. Okay. Alright, well, fine. Switch it up. Alright, drop you. Put you on. And we're gonna kill you. Alright, depression. So much is going on right now. Alright, let's kill you. Boom! Oh, come on! There we go. Nope, still alive. Okay, fine. There we go. Really? Oh, you took my kill, depression. Alright, well, we did a full heal. There we go. Depression is my bane. So, hopefully we can get some kills out of here. So, we got 140. Okay. I don't even need anything, so why am I just... Let's just survive the game. That's okay. Oh, there we go. Alright, we're gonna take a bit of damage from the zone, but that's okay. Alright, it's him versus me. There we go, folks! Oh, I was breathing so heavily, I couldn't believe it. A lot of those kills are mine. Alright, 5 kills. I'm 1. Did so much damage, though. Everyone took my kills, but there you go, guys. I would like to say thank you for watching. Have a good day, and there's a win. Have a good day, and again, keep watching my channel. You will see a lot more Refight. I'm going to keep moving up those charts. Have a good day.